Hey everyone, welcome to TechWired. In this video, we are going to solve problem number 2390, removing stars from a string. First, we will see the explanation of the problem statement, then the logic and the code. Now let's dive into the solution. So here I've taken the first example from the Leetcode website. So in this problem, we are given a string which contains stars, right? So whenever we detect a star, we need to remove the closest non-star element, right? So for this star, the closest non-star element is T. So I will remove T from the string, right? So to solve this, I'm going to use stack, right? Now we will see how we are going to do this. So first I will pick the first character in the string. So here it is L, right? Since it is not a star, I will just append that to my stack, right? Then I will pick E. I will just append, and next it is again another E. So I will just keep on appending in this stack, in my result stack, right? Then it is T. Now I have a star. So when I detect star, I need to remove the closest non-star element. So whenever I detect a star, I will pop the last element in the stack. So in this case, I will pop T, right? Next, I will pick the next star. So since again it is a star, I will pop the last element in the result stack. I will pop this E, right? Then we have non-star elements. I will just keep on appending in the result stack. Then we will be having another star. Now I will pop the last element in the stack. Then I will append E finally. Then I will join all the characters. So finally I will return LECOE. This will be my answer, right? So the time complexity will be order of n, where n is the number of characters in the input array, and the space complexity will be order of n as well, since we are storing the characters in the stack, right? Now we will see the code. So before we code, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please like and subscribe. This will motivate me to upload more videos in future, and also check out my previous videos and keep supporting guys. So initially I will be having the result stack. Then I will iterate through the input string, right? Then I will check whether if that particular character is a star or not, right? If it is not a star, I will just keep on appending that to my stack. I will be keep on appending the character to the stack. Then when I detect a star in the input string, then I will check is my stack is empty or not. My result stack is empty or not. If it is not empty, I will pop the last element from the stack, right? Then finally, I will join all the characters from my result stack, right? That's all the code is. Now we will run the code. As you guys see, it's pretty much efficient. So the time complexity is order of n and space is order of n as well. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. This will motivate me to upload more videos in future. And also check out my previous videos. Keep supporting. Happy learning. Cheers guys.